In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you a few items that we need to check before we start taxiing to the runway. Then I'll complete the before takeoff check. But let me first give you a quick taxi briefing. This is the view from the top of my departure airport, showing my current aircraft position. Using my departure airport diagram, first I'll spot my current position, which is approximately here. Since 06 left is my takeoff runway, the taxi sequence will be as follow. Starting from my current position, taxiing to my left toward the taxiway vector, then left on Foxtrot, then right on Delta, which takes me to the runway 06 left. Let's go back to the view from the top of my departure airport, and based on airport diagram, this is vector taxiway, this is Foxtrot, and finally Delta taxiway is this one. Now we have a good idea on how to proceed to the runway. Let's get started with the before taxi items. Starting with the brakes check, apply full brake using your pedals. This should cause an increase in the hydraulic pressure of the accumulator in the yellow system to a minimum of 2200 psi, as it's shown on the yellow system gauge, and this complete the brakes check. Takeoff flap select 18 degrees. Flaps position indicator in transit and set to 18 degrees confirmed. Taxi light on. Apply brakes to disengage the park brake. Slowly advance thrust levers and allow the aircraft to start moving. Now, as you can see, the taxiway vector is straight ahead. The next taxiway will be Foxtrot, which is coming up, and I'm gonna turn to the left. And for the taxi safety, I have always to check the left and right for traffic before entering in the taxiway. Now I'm looking for the next taxiway, which is Delta, and I have to make a right turn. Right clear, left clear. Now this taxiway will take me to the holding short of the runway 06 left. Now, as I'm taxiing to the runway, I have to complete the before takeoff check. In this procedure, we only check the critical items related to the takeoff safety, starting with the flaps, and they're set to 18 degrees. Trims all set. Flight instruments checked. Master warning system annunciator lights should look dark. Checked. Continuous ignitions, I leave them off since there is no icing conditions. Auto throttle armed, and this complete the before takeoff check. Now I have to stop and hold short of the runway, and this completes the tutorial on the before takeoff procedure. Next tutorial I will discuss the runway entry and takeoff procedure. See you there.